Alright, here's a comparison video of my two Western Colonnades electronic bells, because they are actually somewhat different from each other. To the right is the one I got in September, which was made in 2002. I believe it's either a Type 1.5 or a Type 2, but I'm not sure. I want to say it's a Type 2, but correct me if I'm wrong, because I don't exactly know the dates of when those two bells were produced. But I know they're discontinued nowadays. As you can see, it's obviously been used. It's in much rougher shape than the Type 3 on the left, which I just got yesterday, and I just got wired up today. So, yeah, here's the Western Colonnades Type... Well, first I'll show the Type 2. I'm just going to go with it being a Type 2 for the rest of the video. So, here is the Type 2 e-bell. As you can see, it's in It's in decent shape, for sure. It could be worse. But you can see it's definitely been used. It's been on a crossing at some point. But here's the top, and here's the bottom. And up there is the speaker, but you probably can't see it, and I can't turn on my flashlight at the moment, sorry. But it's in there. And here's what the interior looks like. Obviously, it's kind of some complex, well, not really complex, but more complex than what you'll see in there, circuitry. And you can see it's kind of dusty. It was like covered in dust when I first got it, but I got it off, at least the main amount of it. So you can see this is just the basic circuit board. You can see right there, that's the volume adjuster, if I cannot get my shadow in the way. Sorry for digital zoom, I'm using my phone, but you can see that says volume. And then that right there, you can't see it at all probably, but that's the rate adjuster. So, yeah. So I'll set this bell off for y'all so you can hear what it sounds like. And I will adjust the rates as well. So that is the Type 2 Western Colonnades electronic bell. And before I go to the Type 3, you can see right here, that's the label on the support arm. And you'll see that this one's is different. So, and here's the interior label as well. The serial number for my Type 2 is 5735. And you can see it was made on April 16th, 2002. So that is the Type 2. Now here is the Type 3. This one's got, believe it or not, some differences on how it was made. So first of all, you can see this side label. Well, actually, first of all, you can see there's a wire actually sticking out here, unlike, well, I guess, yeah, there is one back there, but it's in front of the label on this side. I'm not sure. I'm probably just being dumb and not remembering. Oh, no, there isn't a label on that side. So actually, yeah, on this one, it covers the label. Yeah. Unlike on this one where the label is more easily seen. But you can see the label is much different. This one actually has like a square molded around it, unlike on this one. You can see on this one it actually shows 0777 really faintly below it, while this one does not. Which is kind of interesting in my opinion, because that's the model number of both of them. But here's the top. Pretty much no differences going on up here. Not at all. If I can turn around the cap, you can see that there's still a bolt on the side, and there's only one. Just like on both of them. So no differences really going on up there. But then when you open the top, you can see this one is much different. It's a lot less complex than the other one, per se. As you can see, there's a comparison for y'all. And here's the label. It's much smaller as well, and obviously it's not crumpled up because this one wasn't used, I don't think. But as you can see, this one's serial number is actually 5 numbers, interestingly enough, instead of 4. But it's 25476. And this one was made on March 10th, 2015. And you see there's the label. If you want to pause the video and look at it, you can. So, anyways, interiorly, you can see it's just so much less circuitry happening. It's probably all still under there, but they've covered it up so that the signal maintainer doesn't have to stare at it and not understand what to do. But, you can see that we still got the rate and volume adjusters in the same place, in the same little enclosed blue screwdriver thingy-mabob. And you see they also put the serial number right here. Honestly, I don't even remember. Pretty sure. Oh yeah, this one does have it too. I never even noticed that, quite honestly. But, yeah, the serial number's in there. I'm not sure what this number is, quite honestly. Yeah, I have no idea. But, yeah, you can see it's just much shinier too because of it's pretty much brand new. If you look way down there, you can see the grill. And the speaker's in there too, but you can't really see it. So yeah, that is the Type-3 interior. So now, I shall set off my Western Hayes Type-3 electronic bell. And sorry for the fact the cap's crooked. I don't know why it's doing that. Probably just because it's not screwed in all the way. But yeah, here's what it sounds like. So yeah, those are those bells. That's a comparison of those bells, and to end off the video, I'll set them both off at the same time, because I do have two separate batteries. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. So yeah, that's a comparison of my Western Hayes Type-2, maybe 1.5 electronic bell, and Western Hayes Type-3 electronic bell. Over and out.